Hello YouTube and welcome to another ESXI tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to configure ESXI Snmp for monitoring. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, Snmp stands for Simple Network Management Protocol, and it's used widely as de facto for monitoring your system devices. So here, in order to configure that in our host, actually we have to set up 3 steps. So the first step is to enable actually SSH in order to log on to the console. Then we have to configure Snmp agent on our host, and finally we must configure the firewall. Okay, so let's begin by the first step, which is to enable SSH. So as you may know, it's pretty simple to do that. So we log on to our GUI here and we go to services in order to enable SSH. Okay, so we go to actions, as you can see here, then services, and here you can see that you must enable secure shell. So as you can see on the bottom, the service has been enabled. So now we can log on using our credentials using any SSH client. Okay, so let me reduce this browser here, and I will go to my terminal in order to log on to actually our host using SSH. So I will use here my default credentials. Here we go. So I am in. So let's first verify that SSH is disabled by default. Okay, so in order to do that, we execute a command. So the command is this. Okay, so the most important actually entry here is the enable, which is equal to false. So as you may notice, we have no community setup, we have no traps, no actually nothing, because SSH or actually Snmp is disabled by default. So we're gonna configure the most important actually parameters here. So first, let me configure the community. Okay, so here I have set up a community called aminos, so you can configure whatever community you want. Okay, so here as an example, I'm using aminos as a community name. Here we go. Then I have to set up actually the target server where the traps will be sent. Okay, so here I'll be using actually an Ubuntu server which has an IP address .1.75 in order to send traps to, and this is the command for that. So we are setting a target with the IP address, and of course the default port for Snmp is 161, and here is the community, which is aminos. Okay, so it has been executed. We can set up also, for example, the mail address of the system admin if we want. So let's set up this email address. So here I'm using my Hotmail as email address, christopherfgreen as system contact email address. Here we go. So here I have actually made a mistake. There is a typo here, dash. Here we go. So the system contact email address has been set up, and finally we enable Snmp. Okay, so to enable Snmp we use this command. Here we go. So now Snmp has been enabled. So let's now verify that using the get command. Okay, so you see now that we have configured a community. As you can see here, the community name is aminos and SNMP is enabled. So before it was false, now the value of enable is true. Okay, and here we have the target. So this is the IP address of the Linux machine where we want to send our traps. Okay, so now let me log on once again to our GUI and verify the service is actually running. The service for SNMP this time is running. So I will open my browser here. So I will go to this time to manage, then services, then let me scroll down to see if SNMP is enabled, and here we go. You can see here the SNMP server is running. Okay, so now we can actually test the Linux machine is receiving traps. Okay, so how we can do that? So we must log on to our Linux machine. So remember the IP address is that 1.75. So I'm gonna exit from our host and let me connect this time to my Linux box, our target, to verify that we can receive traps. Okay, I will enter the IP password here. Here we go. So in order to test SNMP, we have to install SNMP package. So if you don't have it, you can use apt install SNMP. So here I'm using Ubuntu, that's why I'm using the apt package manager. Okay, and I already done that, so it's already installed. Okay, so now let's verify that using another command. So in order to test SNMP traps, we have to execute this command, SNMP walk. Here the version of SNMP is 2C, and of course -C, and here we provide the community name. So remember, in our case it was aminos, and finally the IP address of our server, our ESXI host, which is that 1.202. And here we go. You can see that you have different what we call object IDs, okay, and values, which so here for example you can see the object IDs for our ESXI server. So it means we are receiving traps from our server or our ESXI host. Okay, so there is a bunch of values for different parameters for our VMware ESXI host. Okay, so here you can confirm that you are getting traps from our server. Okay, you can also, if you want to test your SNMP config, you can use some free software. For example, here you can see Passler SNMP tester. Okay, so I click on it. So it's free utility that you can use in order to test your config. So here you provide the IP address of your ESXI host. Okay, and here of course we are using SNMP version 2C. We have to provide the community name, and you have here to read the device uptime. Okay, so I will hit just start in order to run a test. Here we go. So you can see that I get the value of the device uptime, which is in this case is 6 days 21 minutes. So actually here you can see that our SNMP settings are correct and working perfectly using this tool. Okay, so now we have configured our SNMP on the ESXI host. Here you can see that I have tested against actually the Linux machine, and also here I'm using here the tester on my local Windows computer. So the final step is to configure actually the firewall on the ESXI host in order to allow just trap to be sent to specific IP addresses. For example, here let just send SNMP traps to the default local network. So in order to do that, we have to go once again to our terminal and execute some commands. Okay, so let me log off from this Linux machine and I will connect to the host, ESXI host. Here we go. Okay, so let me execute the command one by one in order to allow just SNMP trap to be sent to my local network. Okay, so this is the first command. Here we go. The second one, here I'm allowing just the local network .1.0, but if you want, for example, to just send traps to a particular host like Ubuntu server, all you have to do is to replace it with the IP address of your SNMP server, then here 32 for specific IP address, but me, I want to allow it to my whole network, so I will use that 1.24. okay, here you can see the message already exists because I already done that. Here I'm just showing you the commands. Okay, and the final command is this one. Okay, so these are the three commands to allow SNMP traps to be sent to just this network here. Okay, so remember how easy it is to configure SNMP for monitoring your ESXI host. So that was just a brief video to show you how to configure and to test your SNMP configuration for the VMware ESXI host. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.